Hi everybody, it's Nadia here, and I thought I'd bring to you the Revolution Tammex, the Tropical Paradise palette. But yeah, my opinions are obviously at the end of this video, but I just think that Revolution, it's nice to support YouTubers, and this is obviously a YouTuber. She's quite good actually. I haven't watched one or two of her videos. I'm not subscribed, but when I saw this palette and that she was bringing it out, I just thought, well, I'll order it and then give you guys like a review on it. So it's got 12 mattes and 9 shimmers in it. Shimmery, it's not shimmer, it's just a little bit, but yeah, hopefully you enjoy it, and here's my review of the palette. Start off with, got Pina Colada, Queen Lou, Tropical, Coraline, Exotic, Caribbean, Perpy Perps, Treasure, Adventure, Rich Soil, and Moon. So that's the first lot, and then the next lot are, this is Enchanting, Burning Heat, Majestic, Paradise, Carnival, Golden Sand, Rainforest, Waterfall, Midnight Stroll, and there's like a white translucent one, and that one there is called Coconut Dreams. And then the last two are Nutmeg and Isle of Spice. So guys, I'm just going to go in with a concealer just to prime my lids because I've got no primer. And so guys, I'm going in with this Tammi from Revolution. So I'm going in with this bone shade at the bottom, coconut cream. And I'm just laying this down on top so everything transitions smoothly. There's 4 light guys in the palette, but I can live with that. I'm taking Nutmeg and I'm just going to put that through my crease and slightly above as my transition shade, and just wiggle it and window wipe. These are really soft but hard to blend. So there's no fallout on my face, it's taken me a long time to get here. The camera's been running for like 2.5 minutes and I'm still blending to get my look, so I'm still not happy with it. Going back in the one with the coconut shade and just sort of making sure it's nice and seamless. I can't seem to get that with that one. Then, because I want a bit of intensity, I'm going in with a packer brush on this green. Don't tap it off, it comes off. And I want to sort of take it in my crease. It's not very green, is it? all pigmented because this is packed on and I still need to blend it out, which I found with, I'm just going to go back in with the one that I used for blending and just give this a little blend, because I know I'm going to have to go back and rebuild. See, look, it's lost all of its intensity. I don't know. See, Makeup Revolution are brilliant, but when they do these collabs, I'm like, why? Don't know whether it's the shade colour that I've picked, but I'm really not impressed with this. So I'm going to take this green here and see how that performs. I don't know about you guys, but they look identical. But this is supposed to be a shimmer. So I've just gone into the dark brown to darken that crease up. And then packing that green back on, because it's all just disappeared again. Green. So off this Fallout, because I didn't have it up until that point, but with these greens they are Fallout Central. So I'm going to try this bright yellow on the inner part of my eyes and see if I can get a better, a nicer eye look, because at the moment I'm not enjoying this. So just not doing anything. I'm going to try wetting the brush a little to see if I can get some to pop a little bit more. It's a little bit better, but it's not brilliant. Let me try the green one and see if I can get that to pop a bit more. This is my, why would anybody buy this palette? Really? Why? Going to go back into my, without anything on it, and just sort of blend this top part a little bit. So, Revolution Ultra Glow, Ultra Cool Glow. And I'm going to put this green on. I'm going to take my finger for this one and just pop it in the middle. I think that sort of saved it, guys. It's not brilliant. I'm not happy, but it saved it. I'll be back when I put my mascara on. So guys, I'm back and I've used my Rimmel Volume Shape mascara, and I've used a Essence eyeliner in my waterline, and then for lips I'm going in with the Revolution lip liner in Original. Well, that's original, isn't it? This is just gliding on like a lipstick. Lip bullet, and it's got no colour on it. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm not over impressed with these eyeshadows at all. This Tammi eyeshadows, not impressed. Really not impressed. I will give them another go, because obviously I chose the hardest colours, but for me, as of now, nah. So guys, I'm back about an hour and a half to 2 hours in. It looked like this, but it looks worse now. It had no, basically the glitter that I put on top went, the colouring, as because I put 3 colours on, these 2 have merged into each other. They've done that within a couple of hours. They've just got worse and worse and worse. Would I recommend this palette? Off this one try, no. Obviously I need to try more shades than the shades that I try, but bearing in mind I did actually try 5 or 6 shadows out the palette, so that's practically half of the palette. And so really, no, it's not a good palette. You know, you saw, I might have speeded it up a little bit, but you'll have, I was there for absolutely ages, blending. I'm having to pack it on to actually get colour across. It shouldn't be like that. It really shouldn't. And Revolution do so much better palettes than these ones that they're doing with these YouTubers. I just can't understand why. So I'm sorry, but that's me for buying Revolution. And when YouTubers and Revolution do a palette, I won't be buying any more. These are my last ones, because this is not right. Everything's merged into one. I'll draw you in as clear as I can. It's just a mess. For me, big fat, not worth the money, guys, really not. Save your money and go and get yourself a decent palette. For me, this is a fail. I will leave it in the comments below of how I actually felt about it the next time that I use this. This is a first impressions, so second impression will give me a rough idea on the rest of the colours in there. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, it's brutally honest video, and please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring another video out. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.